Hello, I'm Robin Woodbarrett, and this is my game, Run Robo Run. Run Robo Run is a simple game that I put together to hone my skills with the StarCraft 2 editor so that I could better apply for the Associate Technical Designer position that's opening up at Blizzard. As such, I'll mostly be talking about user interface and layout in this video. If you want to check out the game, check it out on the StarCraft 2 arcade. You'll get a better taste of the gameplay there. But let's go ahead and move into the discussion of the layout. So, the talent system is the primary layout system, and one of the big feature points of the game. The talent system has both rows and columns, which allow you to specialize in multiple different ways. The rows are templates that are repeated multiple times, as well as the columns. The row templates include the background, buttons, and even the labels on the left side. Almost all of these things are held constant in the template, and in layout are almost exactly the same from row to row, with some small exceptions, such as these lights. The lights are actually a texture, the same texture, over each row, that uses a colorize effect to specialize each row into a color, such as blue, for cooldowns. Let's also talk about the buttons. The buttons use state groups, so that the user more accurately knows how they're interacting with them. There's the normal state, when nothing has been selected, and your cursor isn't on it. The hover state, when you have your cursor on the talent. And then the selected state here, when you have it selected and it's ready to be chosen. Additionally, there's the own state. And the own state, well, that's for the ones that you already have. Let's go ahead and take this ultimate talent here. Now we're in the game. It's a pretty simple experience, but with our ultimate talent, Robo leaves a cool fire trail behind him. Things can get a little dangerous. At the bottom, you can see a simple health bar implementation. That's basically just two textures on top of each other. And then we shift the width of the texture so that it looks like a health bar. You can also see that there were a couple labels here that changed during the level to give you a good time. Additionally, the bottom bar has a couple animations here. These are simple animations with some controller rotations that they don't really serve any purpose, but they look kind of cool, and they bring a little life to this bottom area. Something that we didn't get to see very well is that every time you put a point into one of these talents, one of these lights lights up to show that you're closer to getting to one of the ultimate talents. This is also achieved through state groups. Basically, for each talent in the column, we light one of these up. Another system that uses state groups are the things over here. Let's go ahead and pick one more talent here. It's hard to see now, but in the screen before, a couple things changed with the picking of that talent. We'll just have to survive the wave for a second, and then we'll be able to see it. Alright, now that we have another talent here, this light is activated through the state group, and this bar has started to move up. For every talent you take, the bar increases. This is using a simple hiding and showing of the backgrounds, but there's also a collapsible layout system at work here. There's a subtle gradient being applied, and the gradient moves along with the fills that have been shown, using a collapsed layout system. Alright, that's probably enough to talk about for now. Thanks for tuning into this video. I appreciate your time. I invite you to try the game out on the arcade. It's up now. My name's Woody Barrett, and I made Run Robo Run. Thanks.